Hey guys, welcome to the Crochet Tales. So today I'll be sharing this cute little heart pattern with you all. I'm sharing this pattern as Good Friday and Easter are all about God's love. Many of my friends ask me, why is Good Friday good when Jesus died on that day? So I'll be answering that question at the end of the video. Stay tuned. So to make this pattern, you will be needing some yarn. I am choosing the color white. You can choose any color you want. And a crochet hook. I am using 3.5 mm. So first we'll begin by making a slip knot. And we'll be making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once we have these 4 chains, we will look for the very first chain and put our hook through the first chain. Once we've done that, we yarn over and pull through that loop and pull through the second loop as well. So here we have a cute flower pattern. We are going to maintain this. This is not the center is this. This is the center, and we'll be using the center for the next step. Now we'll be making 4 chains again. So once we've got these 4 chains, we will be using the center to make 4 double crochets. To make a double crochet, you have to yarn over, put your hook through the center, yarn over and pull through the center. So you have 3 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops, then you're left with 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops as well. This is our first double crochet. So you have to do this 3 more times. So now that we've got this pattern, we will be making 2 treble crochets. How to make a treble crochet? You have to yarn over twice over your hook and then insert the hook through the center and yarn over and pull through. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. You yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the final 2 loops. This is our first treble crochet. We'll do one more. So once we have got this, we will be making 4 chains. So once we have our 4 chains, we will be making a slip stitch, which is you put the hook through the center, pull through, and pull through tight. So this is half our heart, if you can see. So once we have this side of the heart, we will start working on the other side. For that, we would need to make 4 chains. So once I'm done with these 4 chains, I will be making 2 trebles through the center. That's 1 treble. So once we've done the 2 trebles, we are going to be making 4 double crochets through the center again. So once we have this pattern, you have to make sure to find the 4th chain. So this is the 4 chains that we made. So if we count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't put it through the first stitch, but the last of these stitches. This is our fourth stitch. We're going to pull through the yarn through the stitch. And here we have our heart. You can pull through this string to close the center if your center is open. I already tightened it, so it's closed. So let's move on to making the second round of our heart. Now to begin with the second round, first I will be making 4 chains. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet into that same 4th stitch. So next what we're going to do is we are going to make 2 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. That's the first one. And now the third set. So our second round is beginning to take some shape. So now in the next stitch, we are going to make 1 double crochet and 1 treble. So in the next stitch, we will be making 2 treble crochets. So once we're done with this, we will be left with just 1 proper stitch before we begin with the 4 stitches that we have. So in the last one, I'm going to make 3 trebles. That's 1 treble. Two. Final one. So next we will be making 1 double crochet on the topmost stitch. 1 double crochet through that stitch. Once we have this, we are going to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we have this side of the heart. To finish it off, we will be making 1 slip stitch. So go to the center, pull your yarn through the center and pull through the final loop that we had. Keep it as tight as you can before we begin the second round on the second side. And then we're going to make 4 chains. So then we find the 4th chain from the bottom. This is my 4th chain. Please don't put it into the first proper chain. We are going to make 1 double crochet into this 4th chain. So once we finish that, we are going to make 3 trebles on our first proper stitch. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. So in the next stitch, we're going to make 2 trebles. So that's 1. And that's 2. So we have made 2 trebles. So now in the next stitch we will be making a treble and a double crochet. That's our treble, and now onto our double crochet through the same stitch. Now we will be making 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. So here we have our 2 double crochets. We have almost reached the end of our heart pattern. So in the final stitch, we are going to make 1 double crochet. And we're going to make a final treble. Now once again, we have to look for the 4th stitch. So once you've located your 4th stitch, put the hook through, and we are going to make a slip stitch and close our heart. If you want, you can make an extra knot, but I prefer not to. Pull the string. You can cut off your string and complete the heart. This is what our heart looks like. Let me cut the string and show you how it looks. So here we have 3 beautiful patterns, 3 beautiful colors, and I made the black and the white heart to explain why Good Friday is good. We all know that we carry so much burden in our hearts, we carry so much of troubles in our hearts, and Jesus died on the cross to give his life for us so that he could give us a new heart that's rid of our burdens, rid of our troubles, rid of our sins, and he gave us a clean heart, a white heart. He completely erased everything from our life before and gave us a fresh start on the cross. That's how much he loves us. I sure enjoy knowing that I am forgiven, and I hope you experience the same forgiveness this Good Friday and Easter. Black heart? No. 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 White heart? Yes. Happy Easter. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified when we upload new videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.